आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Okay, so the given question here we have is if 3a plus 2c equals to 4b plus 3d. Okay, this is something given to us. Then the equation ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0 will have either first option no real solution, okay, at least one real root in this range and at least one real root in this one, none of these. Okay, so basically what we have to do, first we look at the question, and then from the question we assume that if a function is differentiable at a comma b, right, and also continuous from a to b, right, then it also says that fa should be equals to what, fb, and there exists a value c such that a c lies in between the range of a to b. In that case, such that our f dash c should be what, 0. C is the root of f dash x equation. So basically this is the property of all Rolle's theorem, right? And we can see that in this equation is becoming what, equals to 0. It means that this is f dash of x. So basically our f dash x is basically here 0. We can see that f dash x here is our a x cube plus b x square plus c x plus d, right? Now if we have to find the value of fx, right, we have to find the value of fx to check which roots exist for this function. So fx should be, when we integrate it, this will become what, a x to the power 4 by 4, this will become b x to the power 3 by 3, this will become c x square by 2 plus d x, right? So now what we are left with, we have to check whether this condition satisfies for every possible case we have. So if we go for the first range, -1 to 0, right? So if we put the value of x as -1, this will become what, a, okay, so this will become a by 4, this will become minus of b by 3, this will become plus of c by 2, and this will be minus d, right? So if we let's take common from these terms a and b, so we are left with a and c, a plus 2c, right? And this will be minus of 1 by 3 b plus 3d. Now you guys are confused why I'm taking common from only a, c and c terms and only b and d terms. I'll tell you later about it. First we take the LCM. So this will become what, thrice of a plus 2c minus 4 times of b plus 3d, and the LCM will be what, yes, 12. Now what is given to us in the question? The condition is that 3a plus 2c, thrice of 3a plus 2c is equals to 4 times of b plus 3d, right? That's why I took common from these terms. So it means that they and this are what, equals, so they will cancel out with each other, so this will become what, 0. Our f minus 1 will be 0. Similarly, when we put the value for the another interval, for the last end interval we have f0, this will also come out as 0 because every quantity is dependent on x in the equation fx. So basically we can see that f minus 1 equals to f0, right? So therefore there should exist a value in between 0 to -1, right? It means that there the correct option will be at least one real root in -1 to 0 should exist. So this is the answer we are looking for, and for the other options the condition will not satisfy. This one is also not satisfy, and this is also not appropriate we have. So our answer is there exists a value c such that our f dash c becomes 0, and the c will always lie between the range of -1 to 0. The root value should always be between -1 to 0.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।